How to delete your Netflix account. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I will show you the way as to how you can delete your Netflix account. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. Now remember that we are talking about deleting our account, not really about cancelling our membership. If you want to only cancel a membership and keep your account for some time in the future, then you can watch our other video by tapping on the eye icon from the top right corner. Once you are sure that you really want to delete your account, then you can just go ahead and launch the Netflix app. As you launch the Netflix app, you'll be able to see this kind of interface. So just log into the administrator account. If you have multiple profiles, do not sign into the profiles that is created later on. You want to make sure that you're under the administrative profile. And once you log into your specific profile, tap on the profile icon from the top right corner of the screen. As you tap on the profile icon, here you have to go to the option that says account. And once you go to account, here you have to scroll down a little bit all the way to the bottom of the screen, and under the settings option, you'll find a section that is delete account. Now the reason I told you to log in with the administrative account is because you won't be able to find the option called delete account if you logged in from some other specific and normal profiles. So you have to keep that in mind and just tap on the delete account button. It will ask you to confirm your identity either using your email address or either using your payment details. For example, if you have a payment details added, you can confirm with the payment details, or you can actually go ahead and then email a code to your email account. So you want to make sure that you have access to the specific email address. Now this process is simply done in order to verify that the person trying to delete the account is the owner himself or not. And once you verify your identity by emailing a code or confirming a payment details such as this, you will have successfully deleted your Netflix account. And that's all it takes to delete your Netflix account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, then make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.